Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Crypto News Weekly Roundup. Your hosts here, Zahab and Rachel Wolfson. Guys, love the week in Toronto. We finally have some good weather again. It's actually a little chilly. I sort of love it. And Rachel, you are still toasting away in Austin. How is life down south?
Life is good, nice and hot, nice pool weather still. And yeah, excited to talk about the crypto news of this week.
Let's jump into it. Guys, we had a couple good weeks of green. This week was a red one. Bitcoin's down 5% to 113K. ETH is down 8.7% to 4.28K per ETH. XRP is down 7.5% to 289 per Ripple. Sol is down 6% to 184. And we have red across the board for the whole week, but that's okay. It's August. People are touching grass. People have some better things to do. Rachel, I thought this week was a pretty chill week. In fact, I even put this in the show notes. That was up until last night, folks. We are recording Thursday, as we always do, for Friday release. What happened last night at around 11:30 p.m. Eastern time? Kanye West, now known as Ye, launched a meme coin. It was crime season, as usual. A lot of people are going to be put behind bars. What a time. Rachel, kick it off.
Yeah, Matt. So crazy news to start off. Kanye West unveiled a Solana-based meme coin called YZY, which also may be Yeezy, on Thursday, immediately sparking volatile trading that saw its market cap soar and then tumble within hours. The token surged nearly 1,000% within minutes of its debut, briefly hitting a market capitalization of around $3 billion before slipping to about $137 million, according to CoinGecko. The official Yeezy token just dropped, West announced in a video posted to his X account, linking to Yeezy Money, a site described as a concept to put you in control, free-form centralized authority. Alongside YZY, the project's website introduced a crypto payment processor called YePay and a debit card dubbed YZY Card. Wow, this is insane.
Rachel, just another day at the crypto office never ends. Also, rumors that Hayden Davis, the guy who did Libra and Trump, was also behind this one too. Can't wait to see this play out. And folks, we will have more for you on the next episode next week. Second biggest piece of news this week, Tether hires ex-White House Crypto Council Director Bo Hines as the U.S. strategic advisor. Pretty wild here. The move reflects a broader trend of crypto firms hiring former policymakers to guide U.S. market engagement. Stablecoin legislation under consideration in Congress could shape the future operating environment of companies like Tether. This is a hot take here, guys, so take this with a grain of salt. I think this may have been planned. If I'm the US, I want full control over not only Circle, which they obviously have, but also Tether, the offshore and largest stablecoin in the world. What better way to know what's going on than to take your guy Bo Hines and plant him within Tether? I think it's great, and I personally love Tether. Tether's the best. So huge shout out to Paolo Ardoino, huge shout out to Bo Hines and Tether. We love to see this. Rachel, speaking of stablecoins, in the news again. In fact, we have a bunch of stablecoin news this week. Wyoming stablecoin called FRNT hits Mainnet, the first stablecoin from a state. We love to see it.
Yeah, this is great news, Matt. So in a historic first for the U.S., Wyoming officially launched the Frontier Stable Token, FRNT, on Mainnet, making it the first state-backed stablecoin. The announcement was made on Tuesday by the Wyoming Stable Token Commission, chaired by Governor Mark Gordon. FRNT is designed to provide secure, transparent, and efficient digital transactions for people, businesses, and institutions globally. The token is fully backed by U.S. dollars and short-duration U.S. treasuries, which are held in trust for the benefit of token holders. To reinforce its stability, Wyoming law mandates that FRNT maintain 2% over-collateralization, giving users an additional safeguard against volatility. This is really great news. Excited to see that.
Yeah, well said, Rachel. Moving forward, Bullish IPO raises $1.15 billion and in a first with Solana stablecoins. With a record stablecoin IPO, Bullish has shattered precedent with its $1.15 billion IPO entirely in blockchain-based stablecoins. Pretty wild. On August 14th, a couple days ago, I guess that would have been late last week, Bullish debuted on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BLSH, with billionaire Peter Thiel among its backers. On quote, "This isn't just another IPO, it's the clearest signal yet that Wall Street is being rewired by stablecoins," one senior marketing strategist reported to Crypto News. We'd love to see that moving forward. This is a bit of a wild one. Story Protocol founder abandons the $2 billion company with only $45 in revenue, and the community is calling him out for a classic soft rug pull.
Yeah, Matt. So more crazy news. The crypto community has erupted with accusations against Story Protocol co-founder Jason Zhao, alleging he orchestrated a soft rug pull after departing from his $2 billion on-chain intellectual property venture that generates merely $45 in daily revenue. In an August 16th X announcement, Zhao disclosed a decision to step down from his co-founder position while transitioning to a strategic advisory role within the protocol. A prominent crypto developer expressed outrage, stating that Story Protocol secured over $130 million in funding from elite VCs. And basically, he said the blockchain produced just $45 in fees during the past 24 hours, despite assertions of tokenizing $61 trillion in IP. Wow, that's insane.
Pretty wild there. And again, crazy to show how much funding goes into these companies with nothing ever coming out of it. Moving forward, the world's 8th largest bank, CMB, launches 24/7 Bitcoin and crypto trading in Hong Kong, becoming the first Chinese bank affiliated securities firm offering compliant cryptocurrency transactions. CMBC International, a sub of China Merchants Bank, launched virtual asset trading on August 18th, again, becoming the first in China to be crypto compliant. According to a local report, the platform will provide 24/7 trading for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether through an integrated mobile application requiring classic Know Your Customer verification, aka KYC. This is great if we can get China back on board with crypto on the legal side and on the front side of things. Incredible. We love to see it. Speaking of that part of the world, Rachel, over in Asia, Thailand launches Crypto-to-Baht payment system for tourists, also starting a couple days ago on August 18th. Another thing, throw it in the we love to see it doc. This is great stuff here.
Yeah, Matt. So Thailand launched its TouristDigiPay scheme on Monday, August 18th, allowing foreign visitors to convert crypto into Thai baht for electronic payment across the country. The initiative operates within a regulatory sandbox framework with strict know your customer requirements and monthly spending limits to prevent financial crime while boosting tourism revenues. Participants must pass stringent customer due diligence checks and can only exchange digital assets for baht through licensed operators using converted funds via QR code payments and other electronic methods. This is super cool, and actually it would be fun to try that out.
I agree. Thailand, we're coming in hot for you. Going back to China here, China is weighing the introduction of a Yuan-Backed stablecoin to advance the international use of its currency, marking a huge shift from its earlier stance on digital assets. This was reported by Reuters. The roadmap under discussion includes targets for expanding the yuan in global markets and assigning oversight roles to regulators such as the People's Bank of China. Risk management guidelines are, of course, expected to be part of the framework. If adopted, the policy would represent not a little, but a massive major change in approach. And China banned its cryptocurrency trading and mining in 2021 due to concerns over capital flight and financial risk. China used to be the biggest user of hash rate in the world back in 2021, and now they are not. I believe it's USA, could be wrong there. But again, great to see China getting back into the space. Rachel, crypto VC funding falls off a cliff, drops 59% to $1.97 billion in Q2 2025.
Yeah, Matt. Unfortunately, this is more bad news. So according to data accumulated by Galaxy Digital, VC investment totaled $1.97 billion across 378 deals, which was down 59% quarter on quarter and 15% lower in deal count. The standout category was mining, which attracted over $500 million, including a $300 million raise by cloud mining operator XY Miners in a deal led by Sequoia. Privacy, security, and blockchain infrastructure followed, with each segment seeing investments above $200 million. By stage, later round companies captured 52% of capital, reflecting a shift towards more mature firms with proven business models. Geographically, the U.S. dominated both capital and deal count. The U.K. ranked second, followed by Japan and then Singapore.
Wow, crazy stuff there. Guys, last piece of news fresh off the press as well. Brazil is moving forward and potentially creating a $19 billion Bitcoin strategic reserve termed ResBit following a public hearing held on August 20th. If approved, Brazil would join the ranks of El Salvador, the US, China, the EU, and Dubai in exploring government-backed Bitcoin holdings, signaling a major step in adopting digital assets as a part of national economic planning. Rachel, what a week. Honestly, some pretty good news this week. Crypto's down, we're red, but some great news. Guys, if you guys enjoyed this one, I hope you did. please do subscribe. Please hammer that like button. We love when you guys tune in. We love doing this. And we will see you on the next one. Keep on growing those bags. Keep on saying happy, wealthy, and healthy. Go touch some grass. Summer's almost over. We love you guys. Thanks for tuning in, as always.
Thanks, everyone. See you next time. Bye.